So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install PHP in Windows 11. So first open a default browser and search for PHP. Click the official link php.net and click the downloads menu. Scroll down. Under the current stable PHP, the current version is 8.4.7. Click Windows Downloads. So here we have two versions, the non-thread safe and the thread safe. So we'll be downloading the zip file for the thread safe. So click the zip file and wait for your file to get downloaded. The download is complete. Right click and click show in folder. So first we need to unzip our folder. So right click and click extract all and click extract. So you can go back. So here is our unzipped folder. You can right click and click rename. You can first rename our folder so it can't be too wordy till it's okay. You can as well copy the folder in our program files. So right click and click copy. Open your C drive, open program files and paste your folder. Click continue. So here is our folder PHP and the version 8.4.7. Open it. So let's create our path. So copy this path, can close or minimize. Come to the search bar and type environment. So edit the system environment variables, click open. Under the advanced, click environment variables. Double click path under the system variables. Click new and paste your path. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. So we can verify the installation by simply typing cmd in the search bar. Press enter. Here type php space -- version and press enter. You can see that you have installed the latest version 8.4.7. So that's how to install PHP in Windows 11. Can as well show you on how to create your first PHP program. So we can minimize here. So we'll first create a folder. I'll create my folder in my new drive. Create a folder, new folder. I'll name my folder ed. Open the folder. Right click and a new click text document. And I'll name my text document Edwin. I'll remove the text extension and replace it with the PHP and click enter. So you have to rename, so click yes. So open your text document. So right click and open with Notepad. So here we'll have a simple syntax for PHP. So PHP echo function. So whatever will be printed out within the quotes will be printed out. Say thank you for watching. So save the file. So I'll show you on how to open the file in the command prompt here. So copy this path and just type, delete the path and type cmd. Here type PHP and the name of the folder. And the name is Edwin PHP, sorry. And press enter. You can see that our statement has been printed out. Thank you for watching. So that's how to download and install PHP in Windows 11, as well as to how to write your first program. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.